Chapter 1 Relations and Functions, Exercise 1.6. Question numbers from 1 to 15, 1 mark. Okay. First sum. If n of a cross b is equal to 6 and a is equal to 1, 3, then n of b is dash. Here, by given n of a cross b is equal to 6, n of a is equal to 2. To find n of b, we know the formula. N of a cross b is equal to n of a into n of b. Substitute the value. 6 is equal to 2 into n of b. Cancel. 1, 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. So, it can be written as n of b is equal to 3. Which option will hold? Option 3. Question number 2. If a is equal to ABP, set B is equal to 2, 3, set C is equal to PQRS, then n of A union C cross B is dash. We have to find first n of A union C. How to find n of A union C? The meaning for union is combining the elements together. Let us combine the elements here, writing the A set union B set. Ascending order A, B, P, Q, R, S. But what you notice from the set A and C, P occurs, both sets. But we should write at only once. So A, B, P, Q, R, S is the value of A union C. N of A union C obtained by counting the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B has how many elements? 2 elements. So, n of b can be 2. By finding the product of 6 into 2 is equal to 12, which is the value for n of A union C cross B, option 3. Okay. Question number 3. Set A is equal to 1, 2, set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, C is equal to 5, 6 and D is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Then state which of the following statement is true. Let us prove the first subdivision. Okay. We can get the answer. A cross C. Write A set cross C set. How to take Cartesian product? First element 1, 5 and 1, 6. Just like by doing algebraic multiplication. 2, 5, 2, 6. This is the value of A cross C. Finding B cross D. B set, D set, just like that. 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. Next, with 2 every element Cartesian product. 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8 here. Likewise, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8. And last element 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. What do we notice in A cross C and B cross D? Here the element 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6 is also the element of B cross D. Every element, which means the ordered pair in A cross C, is also in B cross D. Therefore, we can say A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Hence, our answer is first subdivision. Okay. Question number 4. If there are 1024 relations from set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to a set B. So, A set elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N of A is equal to 5. Let us consider as P. To a set B, then the number of elements in set B. So, we have to find the number of elements in the set B. N of B value we have to find. Let's solve how to find this. A has 5 elements. N of A is equal to 5. N of B value we need to find. We know that 2 power N of A into N of B is equal to 1024. Substitute the value of N of A as 5 into N of B is equal to, let's prime factor 1024. 2 table 5 2s are 10, 1 2 is to 2 2s are 5. 2 table 25 2s are 50, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12. 2 table 12 2s are 24, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. 2 table 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8. 2 table 32 2s are 64, 2 table 16 2s are 32, 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2. Here 2 repeats 5 times. Okay, one pair, the value is 32. Another pair of 2 repeats 5 times, the value is 32. Here also we have 2 power 5. The value of 2 power 5 is 32 power n of b is equal to 2 power 5, 32. Another 2 power 5, 32. It can be written as 32 the whole power 2. Base or equal, it gets cancelled. So we can obtain the value of n of b is equal to 2. Option 2. Question number 5. The range of the relation r is equal to x comma x square such that x is a prime number less than 13. Prime number less than 13 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Okay, we write up to 13 numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. We need to find the range, children. What is the condition given? X comma x squared. Here the input here is x. Substitute x is 2. X square is 2 square. 2 2s are 4. And also input 3. 3 square 9. X value is 5. 5 5s are 25. X value is 7. 7 7s are 49. X value is 11. 11 11s are 121. So that every output is called the range. Therefore, the range R is equal to 4, 9, 25, 49, 120. So the correct option is option 3.